Introducing the Load and Go Utility Vehicle by AKFS. Built upon the robust and adaptable Mercedes Sprinter 3,500 kilogram chassis cab, this vehicle is engineered for excellence. The entire build showcases high-quality, durable design, ensuring longevity and reliability. Every component and material used has been meticulously selected to provide superior performance and resilience. Featuring a lightweight, spring-assisted tailgate with slip-resistant GRP mesh, operator safety is ensured as standard. The shallow loading angle allows ride-on lawnmowers easy access both on and off the vehicle, enhancing efficiency. Fall arrest bars are provided to ensure operator safety at all times, offering peace of mind during operations. Optional extras include high-visibility chevron graphics for enhanced safety, direction arrow boards, tow bar assemblies, and winch systems, allowing for further customization to meet your specific needs. AKFS, built without compromise.